What we're here to explain is our C2 dash. Original dash, the dash that we've modified, and a couple of things that happen with this dash is to accommodate the floor being raised, and it's also accommodate to use a mini iPad if you're using like Infinity Box or something where you're doing something totally different. So to give you an idea, the stock dash from the front lip right there on the windshield all the way down to the very corner is 27¼ inches. This is bringing everything into play that you have. Factory location for the clock, the heater controls, the radio, all that. So you're 27¼ inches, and at the bottom of this, you're coming up approximately 1¼ inch. Your width-wise is 3½ inches. This is stock, 27¼ 3½. Now this is our dash that we've made to accommodate a lot of different things. And we had the question asked, how tall is the console? Well, it's pretty simple to say how tall the console is by making the same measurement. We're 25 3/8 roughly, so we're just about 2 inches shorter than the factory dash. And so here at the bottom, we are also 5¼ inches wide. At 5¼ inches width gives us the room that we're looking for a mini iPad. Vertically placement is the way you're going to put this in here. So now you got plenty of room. Okay, you can cut that out and do what you want. The next big thing is double din radios. Everybody's saying, how am I going to get a double din radio in there? Well, this is probably going to be our solution to it. We made an insert that's going to take roughly a 4-inch by 8-inch wide double din radio. This is the rough of our insert built. We'll put some mechanical fasteners in it, and you'll be able to come in here and cut out the size of your double din, whatever size it might be. You've lost your speaker up here, and you're going to have to come up with something a little more unique for your defrosters. But that's all in the part of the custom world of thinking outside the box and doing something a little different, trying to be a little different. Hopefully that answers some questions. Thanks for watching.